Welcome in Transylvania kitchen. I'm Laura and today I will present you Socata. It's a traditional lemonade from Romania. So let's work. Wash the flower quickly in cold water and remove any insect. You need 10 to 12 fresh and big elderflowers, 500 gram sugar, juice from 1 lemon, 1 sliced lemon, 5 liter cold water. Fill a pot with 1 liter cold water and add 500 gram sugar. Mix it until the sugar is dissolved. Put elderflowers in a large jar. Add the water and the sugar. Add the juice from 1 lemon. Add 1 sliced lemon. Fill the jar with 4 liter cold water. Stir the composition for 2 minutes. Socata is Romanian name for elderflowers lemonade. Elderflowers can be used as infusion to help treatment of respiratory disease. Elderflowers are rich in vitamin C. It helps boosting your immune system. It's good against seasonal cold and fever. It is also recommended for those who want to lose weight. Cover it and leave it for 2 or 3 days by room temperature in a sunny place. Stir the composition every day, in the morning and in the evening, but also taste it to know when the Socata is ready. You will see that the composition will begin to ferment. When the lemonade has the wanted acidity, remove the flowers. Filter and fill the lemonade in bottles and keep them in refrigerator. This drink is wonderful if you drink cold. Enjoy Socata and see you for the next recipe. If you like our recipe, I invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel and to follow us in Facebook. Thank you. Goodbye.